We've got lots going on this week's assembly. As you can see, I've learned a new skill in the last few weeks. I've learned how to ride the lawnmower. Don't tell Mr. Golson though, because he won't be very happy. I'm hoping you've also learned a new skill. Maybe making cakes, maybe helping around at home, maybe singing, maybe playing a musical instrument. So I've learned that skill. So talking of musical instruments, we're just going to hear from Beth now, who's going to play on her violin as a way of introduction this week. And then we're going to hear from our house captains, who are going to give us merit updates and our merit certificates for the week. Right. Oh, quick, Mr. Golson, off we go.
Welcome back, Eagles. Hope that you guys had a good and restful weekend. Just like to say a special well done to two people from Eagle. Radia Lumbada for getting her silver award. So really well done to you. And then secondly, Shivam Palmer for getting his head of secondary award, which is obviously a really hard thing to do. So well done to you. And yeah, for those of you who haven't got awards yet, don't worry, keep working hard, and I'm sure you'll get them soon. Cool, have a good week.
Hello Falcons, this is your house captain speaking. I just want to say congratulations to our merit winners for this week, and that is Kaliso Jubilee, who got her gold award. And I hope the rest of you continue to work hard and work to achieve those goals as well.
Hi guys, this week Hawk has 2 bronze awards and they go to Pratap Singh and Letitia Salcido. So well done to you guys and keep up the hard work. Next week let's aim for more awards. Thank you.
Really good fun. I hope Mr. Golson doesn't catch me. He gets everywhere. So, what we're going to do now is some of our Year 7s have done some amazing work on the coral reef, so we're just going to listen to some of them and see some of the work our Year 7s have done.
Good morning everyone. So earlier this term in geography, we started a new topic called Exploring Africa. This topic was broken down into different subtopics, one of which was coral reefs and ecosystems. During this subtopic, we learnt a lot about coral reefs, like where they're located around Africa, the fact that they're endangered, why they're endangered, and what we could do to help. We were later assigned a task to do some research and answer some questions on coral reefs, and to create our own mini coral reef.
So, good morning everyone. Today I'll be talking about my coral reef presentation. Let's start with the ocean. I'll just use a normal shoebox and paint, blue paint. Next, let's go over to my actual coral reef, which I shaped it out of wire, put masking tape around it, and then use tissue paper mache on it. Let's go over to my coral tree. I shaped it out of wires, put hot glue around it, and then just paint it in red. These are rocks. These are coral caves I shaped it out of wire, put masking tape on it, and then also did the paper mache on it and painted. These coral flowers, I made out of napkins and scrunch them together to make that shape. Let's just go over to my starfish. I shaped them on a piece of baking sheet and then just let them dry, and then they folded like that. These seaweed are made out of my mom's decoration, cut them smaller and just painted them. These flowers around here is made out of normal cupcake holders that I just folded up. Thank you for watching.
Wow, that was close. Mr. Golson is determined to catch me, but I'm not going to let him. So I'm just going to say a couple of things quickly, then disappear before he turns up. So, do you remember the tongue twister Madame Dilmiel posted a couple of weeks ago? One of our students has had a turn, so we're going to hear from that, and then we're going to have a look at the winners of last week's photo competition. But in the meantime, before Mr. Golson turns up, I'm out of here.
Listen carefully. Un chasseur, sachant chasser, doit savoir chasser son chien de chasse.
Un chasseur sachant chasser doit savoir chasser sans son chien.
Morning everyone. This week's theme for the photo competition is you and your pets or animals. So make sure to send in pictures of you and your pets or animals to win.
And now to finish off, we've got some great DT work from Jacques Greff in Year 10, followed by some more science at home. And then we're going to finish off with a message from one of our former students, Tristan, who is working on the school magazine. He's got news of a competition for us.
We are going to get an egg, put it in water, it sinks, we'll get the same egg, add some salt, and stir a little bit, and see whether it's going to float or sink. Just still, we'll keep adding some more, and there it is, it's floating. Can you see that?
Hi, really fun, quick announcement for you guys. So, we're going to be hosting a magazine exclusive competition. Now, what this means is we're going to challenge you guys in 3 categories, and the winners of these creative categories will be submitted in the school magazine for everyone to see, right? So, the 3 categories are art, creative writing, and article writing. Now, for the creative writing, you'll be limited to 300 words, and it can be any form of creative writing, poetry, short story, anything. The article writing, self-explanatory, you'll be limited to 350 words. And then for the art, obviously any poster, collage, art piece, painting, drawing, anything. So the theme is student excellence, overcoming adversity and supporting one another in a changing world. The deadline for this competition will be the 15th of June. The 15th of June. And how you're going to submit it is you're going to submit it to an email address, your piece, to an email address with a 20 to 30 word motivation as to why you wrote the piece. What is it about and what's your process?